everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Skills Empire. Today we are discussing how to use the Inshot app, how to edit your video on your Android. Alright, first of all, we are going to use an application called Inshot. This is one of the best mobile application. You can also use it in your PC. If you have PC, it's work the same, is the same principle of work. Alright, so this is the application we were using. That's the Inshot application. You click on it so that it will be opened. All right, so you open the application. It requires no internet connection. Before now, you should have finished your editing your video and it is in your gallery. Then you click on videos. You want to edit video, you click on videos. All right, so you click on new, this plus button, you click on it. All right, and the videos on your device will show up here. Then you select the video you want to edit. Let us use the one that we did while we're creating our 3D animation. I click on the video and I'll mark it right here. Click on the mark icon below, and it will add it right here. So this is the video in this place, so we can edit this video to our taste using this Inshot app. This is one of the best application that we have been using. All right, so like I said earlier, we are going to remove watermark. We did a protagon work right here, so we want to remove the watermark from the video. We'll remove the background of the protagon story at the app. You can use this medium to edit any type of video you want to edit. All right, so we want to edit what? We want to edit this symbol of protagon right here. This app, this thing right here, we want to edit it, so we'll remove it. Well, how do we do that? We use a trim option. You click on trim, look at the text right here, check out the trim option here. You can see it is right, it is down here. See the trim option right here. Here is trim option. We click on that trim option to trim. Sorry for this, please. Not trim, but crop tool. Look at the crop tools down here. Crop tools. You click on crop, then you drag this thing down. You want to edit it, you drag it down to cut out that stuff. Want to cut it out. All right, so this is it. Let us play it.
Hello, dear. Yes. What is that one thing that makes you feel unimportant? What is that one thing that kills?
You see, we have removed that protagon at the top of this side. Right now, we want to remove another thing down here. You see this?
Opportunity you see. Kill it today. And take up any giving opportunity you see.
All right, you see? We have also removed the background. The background effect of this application that always end it. Look at this. We want to remove this part, this thing right here. We'll remove it. How do we do that? We click on the trim option. Trim. This time you click on trim. Then you have to be dragging it right here. You adjust it right here, so it can remove that background. That effect that said created by protagon. We want to remove it. How do we do that? We drag this thing up right here. You drag it up and drag it to see where it will end, so that you get what you want to see. That
hello, dear.
Let us take it out. Let us see how it will play. Whether it's still there.
Take up any giving opportunity you see.
See that's the background did not show. That is the created by protagon did not show. All right, so we click on the mark icon. Right now we have finished it. We have removed the watermark and removed the background watermark as well. So right now let us add something again to it. So let us add text. That is the presentation that will be showing while the video is playing. You can add music. Let us click on music. If you want to add music to your animation, maybe you want to add a background music that will be playing while the stuff is playing. You can add music. Click on the music icon. then it will take you to this effect. You see tracks, effects, and record. You can use your voice to record. If you are what you are doing here, you did not allow the character to speak, you can voiceover. That is, you can add a voiceover by clicking on record, and you record it yourself. Or you can use tracks. If you click on tracks, you will see music, or you can use this music are inbuilt music you can use from the application. You can use your own music by clicking on my music. These are music that's on my phone. You can use any of your own video. Let me use this one, and I'll click on use. All right, so I can edit it by clicking on edit and remove the volume. See the volume. All right, I can click on fade in, fade out. All right, now click on the mark icon right here. All right, now you see that the music is higher than my animation, so I will click on split. Look at this, the split icon down here. You can click on the splits, right, so that it will cut the music to the size of your animation. I will click on that split and delete this particular one, right. I click on delete. So now you see that the music and my work is now equal. All right, so I will mark it. Click on the mark icon. Now let us add something else. Stickers. I want to add stickers to your animation or images. Right, I can click on the stickers right here. Now these are stickers that you can use. Let me say I want to use this one. I'll click on it and I will drag it. You see, I'll drag it up and down anyhow size I want it, the size I need, and I will hold and drag to where I want to place it. Let me say I want to place it right here. All right, so I will click on the mark icon. I can also edit. You see, this will only stay from here to here, and it will go off. But if I want it to stay throughout the video, I will hold it right here and drag it to the end, or wherever I want it to reach. Then I will stop it there. All right, that is how to drag it. Now if you want to edit how it appears, how it will enter, you click on you click on it and you click on edit. At this point, all of these are the how it will show up. All of these signs here are how it will show up, how it will enter or exit. So we'll click on anyone we like. Let us choose this one. You see how it came. You can edit the efficiency, how fast it will be going right here. You can use this one or use this one. You see that after doing that, you click on the mark icon. You see that. So let me make it more beautiful by making this in two. I will select it not to the end, but maybe something like this. I will do what I will duplicate the effect. I will click on duplicate right here. It is now two. I will hold it down and drag to where I want it to be. All right, so I will hold it down like this. See that? So this thing will make it look more real, more beautiful. So when this video plays to this extent, it will go off. Then when it starts again to reach here, it will appear again. You see that? That is how you add that. Now you click on the mark icon to finish it. You are done for that. Now let us also look at test. You want to put a test on your animation. You click on the test icon right here. Now you can write the text you want to uh, you want to write. Let us say let us use this as a case study. Ultimate skills. Ultimate skills empire. That is our class name. All right. So this is the test. I can drag it and edit it to the size I want. Right, and I'll drag it to where it will be, either here, anywhere you want it to be. You can put it there. You can place it somewhere here. All right, like I'll click on this color. You see, if I want to change the color, if that color is not good, you don't like the color that is here, you can change color right here. See the color here. You can change the text right here. The text type right here. You can change how it enters and how it exits right here. Right, so I will click on the color. Let us change color so you see how it works. You see this? I will click that. The text size, I will choose the type of text I like. All right, these are the tests you can choose. For the one there, I like the one that is already there, so we click on the next icon, which is how to enter and how to exit. You choose how you want to enter, like this or like this. You see that? Or it will enter like this. You can change the faster it will enter from here. Then you click on the mark icon. Look at this, and so it's also starting from the beginning. So we want it to start somewhere else. We'll drag it and hold it, take it to somewhere we want it to start, and we can change, increase the length right here. You can also do a duplicate it, drag it again to somewhere else, maybe somewhere here is okay. Also another duplicate again. See, this is how you edit your video to make to look more beautiful. Now I have done this like this. I've done it like this. I will click on the mark icon. Now I'm set with that one. Now let us also add what background. You want to add a background color. You want to change your background to look more beautiful. You click on background. All right, you can change the color of background. You see the color. You see all those colors in the background. These are what I mean by background color. You can choose anyone that you like and use it. After doing that, you click on mark icon. It will finish. Let us also talk about Canva. If you want to select the size of your animation, the size of the page you want to display, you can click on the Canva icon. All right, and you see it's on the fit. You can see, click on full screen. You see it will be on the full screen. You can say no frame. It will be like this. There is no border, nothing else. Anyone you want it to be, but I like to use the fit option. Now click on the mark icon. So I'm done with that. So you can use like this to add different, if you want to add your logo, maybe you want to add something, your brand logo to the animation, you can click on stickers. All right, you click on sticker, right? Stickers. You click on this image option right here, this image option right here, this option here. You can click on that. You click on this. Before now, you should put your image. Let us drag image to this place. I click on the plus icon, right? And you search for the image you want to use. All right, search for the image you want to use. But because my image for the case for our class here is not uh, right here, let me use anything, just anything can serve me. Let me not even use anyone here. I can go back. Let me go back. So let me use this subscribe option. I will click on this and I'll take it to where it will be. If it's your image, your logo, you can put it where you want to be, where it will be. It's your choice where you want it to be. And I will click the mark icon. All right, it's already there now. Look at where it is right there. You see that? So that is how you add your image from in the text. You can allow it to be there. You can allow it to be at that place till you want. You can edit it as want it to be, and you can allow it to be there. Edit it to how you want it to be. The effect, you see the effect right there. Let us use the effect, and we can change how it works there, how fast it will be doing, and you click on mark icon. As well, you can allow this one to stay till the end of the video. All right, so it depends on your creativity how you want it to look like. You see, now we have edited this perfectly. Now we want to add something else. Call me if you want to like have a business with me. You can contact me. You can click on test. Also you can click on test icon right here. You can see contact. This is dependent on what you are doing. It's not a must you use this contact. All right, so I click on that and I will put your number or anything you want to put that place, and you can edit the size. I place it down here. It's my choice. You can place it somewhere else you want, wherever you want to place it. You can change the color to something that I love. All right, this is cool. This is cool. You can hold it. Then I will change how it will appear and come. Maybe I'll use this one and I'll drag this to make it more perfect. Now click on the done button. Now also I will divide this into different places so that my video will look more good and awesome. All right, you see that I can divide this into 3 duplicates, hold and drag to where you want the next one to start with. Another duplicate, hold it and duplicate again, hold and drag again to where you want to start again. All right, so this is how you edit with the InShot app. All right, click on the button and you are done. This is how you do that. Let us play it and see how it works. See?
Hello, dear. Yes. What is that one thing that makes you feel unimportant? What is that one thing that kills your dream? What is that one thing that discouraged you? Fear. Fear. Fear kills dream. Fear makes you think you can't do it all you can. Fear gives you negative thoughts. Fear makes you feel bad. Fear is an enemy that needs to be defeated. Fear can kill. Fear is a man's enemy. Kill it today. And take up any giving opportunity you see.
You see that? That is what we just did right now. Very sweet and easy. Simple saying. So
Hello, dear.
we want to
Yes.
save it. If you want to save your animation, remember this application here is a premium version of this application. You can get the download link right in this video description. So go to this video description and download the premium version of this application. So to save this animation, our animation, after we have finished, we can to save it, we can click on this save button right here. Look at this top here. That is where you can save it. You click on the save icon, you click on save, and you select the size you want it to be. There are qualities you can change this file size by clicking on customize. Look at customize. Let us click on that save. You click on save here and you click on customize if you want to save a different file size. Save. You see customize here. You can click on customize. You add the amount, the saving quality you want. It will use 360 for Android. All right. So you see the megabyte, it will cost you 4.7 megabytes. So click OK and it will save the video. All right. Now you wait for it to save. Now this is what is going to be given to us. This advert that is showing up is just showing an advert for us. Oh, sorry for this, please. I'm not online. That is why I did not get I was not able to get it. You know, these ones they want to make money through this Google advert. So at this point now, it will initialize and it will save a video to your gallery. All right. Remember, this application is not a must use internet connection to run it. All right. That is why. But just now that it needed me to view advert before it can save my video. That is why I had to. It had to tell me to connect to the internet. So you wait for it to convert finish. After the conversion of the video, it will save to your gallery and you can access it and send to anyone you want to send. So this is how awesome way to edit your video with your smartphone on the InShot application. All right, you can get this premium version of this application right at this video description. Get it from there and have access to every features that it can give. All right. Thank you so much, and I wish to see your work soonest.